So I went ahead and just separated my hair from the crochet hair, just so that way nothing gets in the way. I like to keep things nice and clean. So I went ahead and just cut up some pieces of foil. I have 4. It'll be 2 on each side. And today I'm using the Bond Bar. This is High Lift Violet Blonde. So it's a high lift color. I want to avoid using bleach as much as possible. So it has built-in bonding, strengthening, and conditioning for all hair types and textures. And this should give me a nice little lift. So nothing too crazy. I'm not actually going too ashy because my hair is more like a warm, I would say like a neutral blonde shade. So I'm just going for neutral blonde with this color. I'm not going to actually use a lot of this color, so let's do 20. Oh, that's an ounce. I've been saying ounces this whole time when it was really cc. Anyway, let's do 20 cc of this color, which actually might be a lot. I might actually just do 10. Because it's not a lot of hair and I don't want to waste product. Okay, yeah, that's looking like 10. And it's a 2-to-1 ratio, so I'm gonna do some 10 vol. And because I have 10 cc's of the hair color, we need 2 parts of developer, so the total will be 30. Perfect. And then I'll just mix all this together. And this is a lot. This is a lot. I'm literally only doing the ends of my hair. Y'all know I like to do my color by hand, so it just makes it easier if it's in the bowl, so I can kind of grab. I'm gonna go ahead and just part down the middle. And then what I'm gonna do is I want the highlights to start. So I'm gonna take this piece. It's basically my money piece, right? Or even, let's take this whole. That way, because when it lays, it'll be like that. Let's see. Just want to make sure I am doing enough. And then some of this goes to the back. So this is about 2 inches back. The color is going to go higher up. I did not need to mix that much product. Smallest little piece ever. That's okay. Okay, so we have that. Here, right there. Okay, we got 1. And then the rest is just going to be the very, very tips. Very, very tips of that. And then I'm kind of just doing this to make sure it's like blended well. And then we'll go ahead and fold this up. That's in, and then let's do the other side. And this goes up a little higher. And then let's do the back. And then just blending up. Okay, that feels good. So I'm gonna let that sit for, should be 30 to 45 minutes. I'll double check. Just, if you're doing bleach, check periodically. If you're doing high lift color, 30 to 45 minutes, but I'll keep checking. So I left it on for about 45 minutes. And then I was like, oh, it doesn't look like it's changing much. I don't know, guys. Looks like it's a dub. I might have to go in with bleach. Oh, okay, that gave a little something. A little, but not much, right? Not quite there, but anyway, it's wash day. So I'm gonna just wash it out and we're gonna try maybe tomorrow. Sometimes I really just do not take no for an answer. So, and I wanna be really gentle because we just did a high lift blonde that did not work. For lightener, I'm doing ammonia free lightener. This is the Sensity from Schwarzkopf. Oh, I'm gonna take a little bit of that. It goes in my bowl, and not a lot. And when I say a little, I meant a little, like the smallest amount. We're not wasting product here because it's really only going on the bit of the tips on my hair and then the money piece. Taking volume 10, and I'm gonna do like a 1-to-1 ratio for this. I don't want anything to, you see how it's not like super watery? Split front half, like this is money piece right here. So we've got money piece, and then we can do back half, and the back half is just the ends here. And this is going on the ends. And then I just like to kind of smooth up so that it's more balayage. Make sure these ends are nicely saturated. And then we're gonna take foil and that gets wrapped up in our foil. Okay, and let's work on this money piece here, starting at the ends and then just slightly working up so that you don't have any harsh lines. I broke up my base a little bit with that high lift violet blonde yesterday, so it really shouldn't take too much work to get to the level 8, 9 that I'm looking for. So we've got 2. That they warm up, so take a little bobby pin, just keep that tight, and then let's give it like 15 minutes and I'll go back and check, because again, we don't need to go too many levels. So okay, so the color actually looks really close. I'm gonna rinse it out. I started to blend it up towards here in the money piece area, because I felt like it just kind of like started, you know, like it doesn't have a nice blend to it, but I'm gonna rinse it out because I don't want it to sit for too long. So I just love that it just softened the darkness a little bit, because I felt like it was just like you just saw the end of where my hair stopped. I'm an Olaplex warrior, so I refuse to let the ends of my hair be damaged because of this. These curls are all over the place today. And after I take this out, I'm also going for a silk press and a trim. I haven't had a silk press and a trim in a long time. I've been getting my trims, but they've all been on blown out hair. So with blown out hair, you can't really see everything you need to get. So a silk press is really gonna make it like very apparent, you know, what I need to get taken off, etc., etc. And I'm going to my normal girl, the girl that I always go to. So of course I will film that, but until then I'm pretty much wearing this until that appointment, because I'm actually really liking the hair. I love the color. So let me know what you think. Okay, love you, bye.